Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect, and your financial growth. The bank promotion exams 2026-2027 are your golden opportunity, and I am here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we will learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demands. Remember, success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today, prepare smartly, and make your promotion in 2026-2027 a reality. Welcome to part 29 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026-2027 series, where we break down real bank promotion exams questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Subject: Deposit products, miscellaneous deposit products. Question: Under the rules for automatic renewal, if a depositor comes to the bank within 15 days of automatic renewal and does not wish to deposit to remain renewed, how is the amount to be paid? With full interest for the intervening period at the renewed rate, without any interest for the intervening period in the manner the depositor desires. Option C, only after a penalty deductions equal to 1 month's interest. Option D, only at the branch manager's discretion with no standard rule. Correct answer is option B, without any interest for the intervening period in the manner the depositor desires. Question: For a joint term deposit operated on former or survival basis, who alone may assign a request for repayment before maturity or extension of period? Option A, any one of the joint holders. Option B, only the survivors, irrespective of order of names. Option C, only the former account holder. Option D, both holders must sign jointly regardless of the mandate. Correct answer is option C, only the former account holder. Question: Where the joint accounts are not operated on former or survival basis, repayment before maturity of a term deposit requires option A, signature of any one depositor with an indemnity bond. Option B, discharge and signature on the back of the receipt by all the depositors irrespective of operating instructions. Option C, only the primary account holder signature. Option D, a notarized declarations from a third party. Correct answer is option B, discharge and signature on the back of the receipt by all the depositors irrespective of operating instructions. Question: In the no splitting of deposits rule, splitting is defined as option A, opening deposits in different branches of the same bank. Option B, multiple term deposits made on the same value date with the same maturity period with threshold limit within a single customer ID regardless of scheme code. Option C, opening deposits across financial years for tax planning. Option D, splitting a single large deposit only if done for staff members. Correct answer is option B, multiple term deposits made on the same value date with the same maturity period with threshold limit within a single customer ID regardless of scheme code. Question: For acceptance of a deposit of rupees 10 crore or above at given card rates in any maturity bracket under domestic and NRE segments, what prior step is mandated? Option A, no prior approval required if within branch delegations. Option B, prior permissions from the Treasury Bench by the authorized branch or zone. Option C, approval from the Reserve Bank of India directly. Option D, a board regulations from head office in every instances. Correct answer is option B, prior permissions from the Treasury branch by the authorized branch zone. Question: Under the Income Tax Second Amendment Act 1981, repayment of a deposit amount with interest of what threshold or more must compulsorily be made through account paycheck, draft, pay slips, or account credit rather than cash. Option A, 10,000 or more. Option B, rupees 20,000 or more. Option C, rupees 50,000 or more. Option D, rupees 1 lakh or more. Correct answer is option B, rupees 20,000 or more. Question. Under Section 40A(3) of the Income Tax Act 1961, payment of any expenditure debited to the bank's profit and loss account exceeding what amount must be made by cross check or cross bank draft? Option A rupees 1000, option B rupees 2500, option C rupees 5000, option D rupees 10,000. Correct answer is option B rupees 2500. Question. When may brokerage on deposits be legitimately paid? Option A to any broker who brings in bulk deposit business. Option B only to individuals employed as door-to-door collections agents under a special deposit mobilization scheme or on deposits from LIC UTI representing call short notice money with prior head office sanction in both cases. Option C freely to any current account holder introducing new depositors. Option D brokerage is entirely prohibited under all circumstances by the bank. Correct answer is option B. Only to individuals employed as door-to-door collection agents under a special deposit mobilization scheme or on deposits from LIC UTI representing call short notice money with prior head office sanction in both cases. Question. When a customer reports a deposit receipt lost, misplaced, and the manager is satisfied it is irretrievably lost, a duplicate receipt may be issued against. Option A. Simple verbal undertaking from the depositor. Option B. An anonymity letter stamped as an agreement signed by all joint depositors with signatures not required to be attested. Option C. A police FIR alone without an anonymity. Option D. A bank guarantee furnished by a third party. Correct answer is option B. An anonymity letter stamped as an agreement signed by all joint depositors with signatures not required to be attested. Question. Where a deposit receipt sent by post is irretrievably lost in postal transit, what document is required before a duplicate receipt can be issued? Option A. Stamped indemnity letter executed by two signatories compulsorily. Option B. A simple letter of request cum indemnity signed by all the depositors with prior approval of higher controlling authority. Option C. No documentation is required if tracking confirms non-delivery. Option D. A court order directing the bank to issue a duplicate. Option Answer. Option B. A simple letter of request cum indemnity signed by all depositors with prior approval of higher controlling authority. Question. For a non-callable deposit under the bank's scheme, what is the minimum deposit amount threshold above which such deposits are available and what is the maximum amount permissible without approval from a competent authority? Option A. Above rupees 50 lakh up to rupees 100 crore. Option B. More than rupees 1 crore and up to rupees 500 crore. Option C. More than rupees 5 crore and up to rupees 1000 crore. Option D. More than rupees 10 lakh and up to rupees 50 crore. Correct answer is option B. More than rupees 1 crore up to rupees 500 crore. Question. In non-callable deposits, which facility is explicitly not allowed, unlike regular callable term deposits? Option A. TDS deductions. Option B. Nomination facility. Option C. Loan and overdraft facility. Option D. Deposit under all domestic term deposit schemes except recurring, SD plus and CD plus. Correct answer is option C. Loan and overdraft facility. Question. For non-callable deposits, premature withdrawal at branches is option A. Freely allowed with standard penalty. Option B. Not allowed at branches, allowed only at zones after approval in exceptional cases like bankruptcy, court-directed winding up, or death. Option C. Allowed at branches only for senior citizens. Option D. Allowed without any penalty in all circumstances. Correct answer is option B. Not allowed at branches, allowed only at zones after approval in exceptional cases like bankruptcy, court-directed winding up, or death. Question. In monthly income certificate accounts, what is the essential rule regarding rounding of the monthly discounted interest installment paid to the depositor? Option A. Always rounded up to the nearest rupee. Option B. Always rounded down to the nearest 10 rupees. Option C. The exact discounted amount, including paisa, must be paid as per the interest table. Figures should not be rounded up or down. Option D. Rounded to the nearest multiple of rupees 50. Correct answer is option C. The exact discounted amount, including paisa, must be paid as per the interest table. Figures should not be rounded up or down. Question. For monthly income certificates, Which alternative allows the depositor to receive interest at actuals rather than a discounted monthly value? Option A, opting for quarterly interest amount, in which case the deposit is treated practically as a fixed deposit with an endorsement for quarterly interest. Option B, opting for a lump sum annual payment at the year end. Option C, there is no alternative. MIC always pays discounted monthly interest. Option D, switching the account to a recurring deposit mid-tenure. Correct answer is option A, opting for quarterly interest payment, in which case the deposit is treated practically as a fixed deposit with an endorsement for quarterly interest. Question. For an MIC with an incomplete terminal quarter consisting of exactly 1 month at the end of the tenure, how is interest for the terminal month calculated if the interest is otherwise paid at a monthly discounted value? Option A, at the discounted monthly value, same as other months. Option B, at actuals, that is one third of the quarterly interest. Option C, not paid at all for that month. Option D, at double the discounted monthly rate as compensation. Correct answer is option B, at actuals, that is one third of the quarterly interest. Question. In the illustrative given for MIC monthly interest installments, a deposit of rupees 10,000 yielding rupees 225 per quarter at 9% per compounded quarterly works out to what recurring monthly installment discounted value instead of a flat rupees 75? Option A, rupees 70.00. Option B, 72.50. Option C, rupees 74.44 recurring. Option D, rupees 75.50. Correct answer is option C, rupees 74.44 recurring. Question. Which of the following account types is explicitly stated as not available for MIC KYC as well as under savings plus or current plus accounts under the green deposit Gaurib Jama Yojana scheme? Option A, term deposit accounts generally. Option B, MIC KYC as well as savings plus current plus accounts. Option C, NRE and NRI accounts. Option D, staff accounts. Correct answer is option B, MIC and KYC as well as savings plus or current plus accounts. Question. Under Bank of India Gaurib Jama Yojana Green Deposit Scheme, what type of deposit is currently accepted and in which category? Option A, recurring deposit in the non-callable category only. Option B, cumulative fixed deposit, double benefit deposit accepted in the callable category only. Option C, monthly income certificate in the callable category. Option D, short deposit in the non-callable category. Correct answer is option B, cumulative fixed deposit, double benefit deposit accepted in the callable category only. Question. What is the minimum and maximum deposit amount range prescribed for the Bank of India Gaurib Jama Yojana scheme? Option A, minimum rupees 50,000 and maximum rupees 5 crore. Option B, minimum rupees 1 lakh, maximum rupees less than rupees 10 crore. Option C, minimum rupees 10 lakh, maximum rupees 25 crore. Option D, minimum rupees 5 lakh, maximum rupees 50 crore. Correct answer is option B, minimum rupees 1 lakh and maximum rupees less than rupees 10 crore. Question. Under the Green Deposit Finance Framework, funds mobilized will not be used for which of the following categories of projects? Option A, renewable energy and clean transportation. Option B, sustainable water and waste management. Option C, fossil fuels, nuclear power generations, direct waste incinerations, landfill projects, or hydropower projects larger than 25 megawatt. Option D, pollution prevention and control initiatives. Correct answer is option C, fossil fuels, nuclear power generations, direct waste incinerations, landfill projects, or hydropower projects larger than 25 megawatt. Question. For how long may the bank temporarily hold unallocated green deposit proceeds in liquid instruments classified as level 1 high quality liquid assets pending allocations to green projects? Option A, maximum maturity of 6 months. Option B, maximum maturity of 1 year. Option C, maximum maturity of 3 years. Option D, no time limit is prescribed. Correct answer is option B, maximum maturity of 1 year. Question. Under green deposit rules, what happens if a depositor makes a partial premature withdrawal of a green deposit prior to the agreed term? Option A, the entire deposit is forfeited without interest. Option B, the remaining balance ceases to be classified as a green deposit and is converted into a normal regular fixed deposit. Option C, the remaining balance is automatically transferred to recurring deposit. Option D, the bank must close the entire account and refund only the principal. Correct answer is option B. The remaining balance ceases to be classified as a green deposit and is converted into a normal regular fixed deposit. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe and share.